butter, some green onion, frying oil, salt, and flour. At this point in the video, I realized I messed up. I didn't pay attention to the fact that she was peeling apart the dough after, so I had to scrap that and come up with something new. And this is the part where I really should have just not put them together, but I wasn't thinking about that yet. So this step exactly right here is the reason why the outcome was not satisfactory as it could have been. I'm just gonna take this big old thing, cut it into 4 pieces, and flatten each one out like I did the whole thing because I messed up. So let's do this.
I look like a clown.
Let me back up before I get got. Is it still raw? It's too thick. After they tried to unpeel it, mine was stuck together. Too thick. Ooh, that's cheesy. That's very cheesy. The salty part. What's the salty part?